Hello friends, our today's topic is the Holy Panchayat. Friends, there are times in your life when you fight with your brother or sister. You go to your parents by thinking that they would take your side. Sometimes they do, and you are happy, but sometimes they punish you because they feel that you are wrong. Then you really get angry, but is that correct? So, our today's story is also about the same concept of fair judgment. Let you know how. The story is about two friends, Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary. They were very close friends and partners in farming. Juman had an old aunt who had some property in her name. She had no other relative than Juman. Juman asked her to transfer her property into his name. Once the property deal has done, Juman and his family started troubling the aunt. Aunt could not take it anymore. She went to Juman and asked him for monthly allowance to manage her own. Juman gets angry and says, "Do you think we grew money here?" The aunt decided to call the panchayat so that she may get the justice. Juman feels happy at her offer as he feels nobody could go against him in the village. One evening, the elders of the village collected under the tree. Juman's aunt told them her sad story. One of the Panch, Ramdhan Mishra, asked Juman to select panchayat members. Juman declined the offer and said, "The word of Allah is the word of panchayat. Let my aunt choose anyone whom she wants. I have no objection." Aunt was called on and aunt selected Algu to be the Sarpanch. Juman hides his happiness and said, "Let it be Algu for me, because according to me, Ramdhan and Algu are the same." Algu does not want to come between Juman and his aunt, but he agrees when aunt says, "Son, no one barters his iman for friendship. God resides in the heart of a Panch. Whatever the Panch says is the word of God." Algu came forward and told Juman that he and aunt are equal in his eyes, so Juman can put forward his case before the panchayat. After hearing Juman's case, the panchayat decided in the favor of aunt and asked Juman to give her an allowance against the valuable property he had inherited from aunt. Juman was stunned that, in spite of his friendship, Algu has taken wrong decision, so it break their friendship. A year ago, Algu had bought a pair of oxen. A month after the panchayat, one of the oxen has died. The other ox was no more use for Algu, so he decided to sell it. He sold it to Samju Sahu, who promised him to pay for the ox in the later date. Samju Sahu was a ruthless trader. He compelled that ox to make 4 trips a day. One day he was carrying a heavy load on the back of ox and he didn't give him much to eat. The poor ox fell down. Samju was left with heavy loaded cart. It was evening time, so he had to stay in the night time in the cart only. In the morning, Samju found some of the money missing. He went crying to his wife. Then she started cursing Algu that he had sold them a sick ox. When Algu went to get his payment at their house, they denied to give them. Finally, they decided to call the panchayat. Ramdhan asked Algu to select his panch. Samju chose Juman for the same. Once he was declared the Sarpanch, Juman realized that he had to keep aside his enmity and give a fair judgment. Samju should pay the price of the ox. The ox was not suffering from any disease when he bought it. If the price had been paid, then Samju would not have been able to raise this question. It was the decision. Victory to Panch Parameshwar, Algu shouted, and other villagers as well. After that, Juman came to Algu and embraced him. He realized his mistake, that while sitting on the seat of judgment, You are no one's friend and foe. You can't think of anything else except justice. So, my dear friends, I think you understand the choices your parents made. What they decide is fair to the next time. So, be conscious next time. Do not angry and annoyed when your mother or father gets angry with you. Realize your mistake and try to cover it up. Thank you.